In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make a pillow, but we'll sneak some useful tips too. So you can add a plane and subdivide it. You want to extrude this plane and add an edge. You can use any object you want. We just want to add pressure, so we're going to set up some adjustments and gravity at 0. Set your timeline, and now you can apply this. So it's really easy. Subdivision and shade smooth. Now you can use some proportional editing or sculpting if you want to use this pillow on the ground or however you want. Beginners often try to use as many vertices, details, all the textures possible, but then you realize most of it is not going to be visible in your final render. So depending on the lighting and depth, you'll learn how to use things you're going to actually see. So you can use any image you want for your texture, and we're going to show this too. So we're going to show some details. So sculpt it however you want, depending if it's going to be in the front or somewhere in the back. And we're going to duplicate this and position it. So use also 7 view to rotate it or scale it. Okay, we're going to put it on the side. And we're going to use front view. And now add texture. So we're going to use image texture and put whatever image you want. So something like geometric is pretty standard, and the trick is that you're going to use displacement. You'll use displacement of a knit material and adjust the size, and also you can scale it down a little bit so it's more realistic. And we're going to copy this material for the other pillow and just change the image. So now you're going to into the edit mode and see how it looks from the front, and just adjust Control all, select all, and adjust the part of the picture that you want to see. Okay, we can play with the roughness or everything you want. Let's add a third one. And now we're going to change the color. And also you can add, so it's not just plain color, mask gray texture, and change this. Connect both to the mix and adjust to lower it so you just seeing like a shade. Let's add the fourth one, and now we're going to scale this one so we have many pictures, and that's it.